all the ways how to get to the money. I'm Wasu.
I'm Ahmed.
And we want to thank you guys for hitting that subscribe button. There's been almost 3,000 of you guys that are subscribed. You like our comment. You leave a whole bunch of comments on our channel. We greatly appreciate that. Continue to grow the community. Let's get into the video. Today, we're talking about Meta and the downfall of the stock, guys. It is plummeting like a poo-poo coin, going down the toilet.
Man, let's go.
I know you see the news. I know you see the headlines. Meta stock's price is going down the toilet. It's off 78% since the top of the year. Just yesterday, it closed at a negative 23% rate. The market is absolutely slaughtering this stock. They missed their earnings, and the street is not very happy with Mr. Zuckerberg.
Yeah, the street analysts are not happy at all. They're starting to reevaluate the whole FANG community.
Yes,
man, it's not looking good for Zuck right now. They're really questioning his judgment.
Yeah, they're questioning his judgment. We have some interesting takes. So I really take a bearish approach to this Meta situation for a couple of reasons. Hamed on this side takes a bullish approach to a couple of reasons. So we're going to start with the bull, then we're going to go with the bear, and then you guys can make a decision on what you think the verdict is for this particular stock.
Yeah, so this is going to be the bull, but with a caveat. So, but I am bullish on Meta. Now, look. It is true that there has been this first year of experiments with Meta has been very OpEx heavy. Hence, meaning a lot of money, a lot of employees have been hired to build out this thing that does not exist anywhere right now, right? So we have a company. We have a Mark Zuckerberg who is trying to put on his visionary hat and take us to a new social media experience. The market don't like that, all right? Because the market is about that nearsighted vision.
Understatement.
Right? They don't like that at all. They want, Meta has been a cash cow since its inception, right? Since they went public. The market has been comfortable with that. They do not feel they need to take a step back because what isn't broke, why fix it, right? Why reinvent the wheel? That's the market standpoint. But Zuck's got an ego, right? Like the next guy, and he wants to dominate and take over another space. I'm sure he's thinking legacy in this point, but that comes at a cost, and that's a short-term loss. But with that short-term reduction in price comes an opportunity. Because what we have here is a misalignment, a potential social arbitrage, because the market is really undervaluing Facebook right now and what their potential is. Because if Facebook is able to figure this out, whether it be hiring influencers, hiring Disney, just doing whatever they need to do to make this happen, and if they're able to achieve this is going to only send that stock to the stratospheres.
Okay, well, that's interesting. So you said if Facebook is able to achieve their version of the metaverse,
correct,
and that is the crux of the issue. Mark Zuckerberg and Facebook have never built anything, right? They've never built anything. They've never actually created an original idea. His metaverse idea is not even an original idea, right? And they don't have the regulatory climate to acquire a company in the space, right? There's actually no company in the space that they can acquire to give them the reach into the community that they need to right now. Mark Zuckerberg is right on the long-term opportunity of the metaverse. But his vision is off on the metaverse, right? Instead of having a virtual reality metaverse, the way that Nvidia and Microsoft and Snapchat are building out AR metaverses, where the digital components come into real life, where you don't have to just plug into a computer, I think is much more viable long-term, especially to normies. I would also add the community right now. The crypto space is about a $1 billion community, $1 billion market cap, add another $1 billion when it comes to NFT trades and stuff like that. Everyone that operates in the crypto space, the people that are currently spending money right now on those things, hate Meta. They absolutely do not use Facebook as a platform to build on, to consume on, or anything like that. So he's in a situation where the current revenues are in the metaverse not coming to Facebook, and the time it's going to take for him to build out, I believe, the wrong vision, right? It's going to take too long for the street and too long for normies. And when we get there, I think he's going to have built out a wrong vision of the metaverse, because he's never built anything before of substance.
Yeah, so I would just add for the bull side that, look, this is what is the right version and what is the wrong version is still up for grabs. Now, I will say AR is a more achievable and more digestible version of the metaverse, but we still don't know if that is actually even going to be a winner. It's more digestible, but we still don't know if that's actually, if people are going to be comfortable walking around with goggles and goggles or glasses and feeling comfortable. It may actually be that people might just want to spend their Friday night with their friends, with the
virtual friends. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. With goggles on, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. There is a space for VR, right? Yeah. Obviously, sending your consciousness into a computer and playing around in that space, it's amazing. But it's hard for current consumers to visualize that when the tech looks less than like what Half-Life 2 did.
Yeah, you know. Yeah. So I will say the animation is I think they're really that's something that is going to have to be more improved. And who knows? Maybe there's a company out there. I feel like, look, I think Meta is literally one company acquisition away from kind of course correcting this stuff.
But they're not gonna. That's what I'm saying. The regulatory environment is not gonna be upset.
So I'm not saying it from the standpoint of a crypto. I'm saying it from more the standpoint of somebody that's doing some kind of 3D animation startup, almost like not NVIDIA with their Unreal, but somebody that does that captures motion censoring and can apply that into creating a better 3D model, hence a better holographic model, so it doesn't look so corny. Because that is the thing we have to remember, right? If we're gonna say we're gonna create the future, nobody likes corny futures, right? It's not cool. Nobody's gonna get with it. Everybody's gonna clown it. Again, we live in a very Twitter world, so those things really matter, right? As a creator, whether you're trying to make a movie, whether you're trying to make a new product, a new iPhone, you will be judged by the masses and the cool club, right? So you have to make sure that they give you the stamp of approval. So, you know, I think we're over here. We're trying to, you know, I'm trying to fight for you, Zuck. I'm trying to fight for Meta, because I do think
that's what a TKO looks like. Metaverse, bullish Metaverse. Very, very bearish on stock. On the Meta stock personally. Again, this is from my standpoint, but very disconnected from the street. Those people that met, and this is also what I would like to say, a reason why I think a lot of these metaverse companies and crypto companies should stay private and raise capital, because these Wall Street guys who I have problems with, they just don't understand innovation on that level. They really don't.
Absolutely.
So it's really like talking to a wall with these people. If you literally go and watch the conversation on CNBC about Meta, these guys are clowning the metaverse as if those clips are going to age just like the Today Show clips about the internet. These people are doofuses when it comes to technology. They have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. And the metaverse, do not short the metaverse, right? Because the metaverse will be the opportunities. There's opportunities right now to invest in metaverse startups via crypto and stuff like that are going to change the world, that will change our investment portfolios 100,000x. So very bullish on that.
Yeah, very bullish on that. And again, keep the faith alive. Mark has delivered previously. He's been attacked Facebook has been out since 2002. All right, it's still standing. That is wild, guys. So
and he hasn't delivered previously. He's bought and acquired previously.
Well, hey,
they do not
Zuck is about
deliver.
Whatever it takes.
Yeah,
so
we'll
he is a dude that is like, he's very competitive. So, that's what it takes to create the future.
Well, we shall see, guys.
To the victor goes the spoils.
Hit
guys.
that comment section. Who's right? The bear case, the bull case. Hit the comment section. There is no wrong. There is no wrong or right answers. It's all opinions and for good fun. Make sure to like and subscribe. Happy hunting. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
And that's actually.